Hello everyone, welcome to this how-to video. I'm going to show you how to install VMware Workstation Pro 14. So as you can see, I'm on the site VMware, and I'm going to download the Windows, which I actually already did. It's right here. Go ahead and launch it. You'll get a user account control prompt. And give it a second. Alright, here it goes. I'm going to go through some prompts. There's the welcome window. We're going to hit next. Accept the license agreement. You can go ahead and just read through everything if you want. Hit next. You can choose the install location. I'm just going to keep it default for now. You can also choose the enhanced keyboard driver if you would like. It's not necessary, and you can always go back and do it later. I'm just going to leave it for now. Next. And I am not going to do product updates or VMware experience for this tutorial. And we're just going to do a desktop shortcut. Next. Install. Alright, at this point you can go ahead and input your license, and I am going to go ahead and do that. And there it is. This is VMware Workstation 14. And in some other videos I'll go into setting up a virtual machine. Hope this helped.